Hey everybody, Michelle Black here with Kingdom Travel. So glad to be with you on today. Oh my goodness, I actually look forward to providing y'all these wonderful travel tips. We are here today providing you 100 travel tips for you to use as you schedule, if you're booking it yourself, as you schedule your own travel needs, or even if you're going through a travel agency such as Kingdom Travels, and at least you'll be educated. So when we provide you the information, you'll be like, oh yeah, I need this for this, and that, and that. All right, so go ahead and get your notebook so we can continue adding on to the notes that you've already wrote down. And we're coming to you on today with travel tips number 42 and travel tips number 43. All right, so you ready for it? Let's go. Okay, so travel tip number 42 is make a list of things to bring. Now, we previously touched on that a little bit in travel tip number 41, but we're going to go in more details here in travel tip number 42. Now, with Kingdom Travels, we always provide our clients with a travel checklist. However, if you're doing this on your own and you already have your itinerary plan, this is what you need to do. You need to make a list weeks before you are to depart on what you need to travel. Because pretty much you've paid for everything at least 30 to 45 days in advance, sometimes 60 days in advance, depending on the travel supplier. Okay? Now, the first and foremost thing is on your checklist, you need to put, if you're traveling internationally, to pack your passport. That needs to go into either your purse, your carry-on, or your wallet. Okay? Your passport, your phone, your medications, a list of phone numbers to your medical provider, a list of phone numbers to your bank, just in case anything happens to your phone or your credit cards, and emergency contacts. That needs to be packed, written down and packed and put somewhere where if anybody comes across it, just in case of any type or emergency or an unforeseen event, someone will be able to know who to contact to be able to assist you. The second thing on your checklist is to make sure you pack accordingly to your itinerary. Whatever you're doing, that is what you pack. As far as clothes, you do activities during the day, you do an event at night, pack those particular items you want to wear on each day that you're out, that you're on your trip or your business trip or the retreat, whatever type of trip it is. Pack up those clothes accordingly to each day of your trip so that, one, you don't overpack. Because you pay extra money if your luggage is over a certain amount of pounds with any type of airline, okay? As far as clothes, also bring your hotel confirmations. Pack those in a nice print those out and pack them in a nice folder, okay? And put that in your carry-on. So have all your confirmations for your hotels, your activities. You're going to an event, make sure you have your tickets. Make sure you have that information, all right? Put also on your checklist, converting your cash into if it's internationally, that particular country's currency, all right? Also put on your checklist to contact your bank or your credit card company to let them know that you are traveling during this time period. So when they see multiple transactions, they won't put a lock on your car or say fraudulent activity is happening because you've already notified them that you'll be traveling during these particular dates. So those are a few things, important things to put on your list of things, to your checklist, so you could tell yourself what to pack and what to bring on your trip. Now, travel tip number 43. So we was talking about packing. One good trick to save space in your suitcase is to roll your pants and roll your shirts. This does two things. One, it eliminates a lot of creases versus folding them, roll them. Because you're not going to bring an iron, and sometimes the iron in the resorts don't work all the time, or they leave a stain. So, to make it easy on you, roll your pants and your shirts. And the second thing it helps, it allows you to have more space in your suitcase. Now, remember, we already told you to pack light, because when you go to your destination and you're going shopping, you'll have enough space to put the things that you bought to bring back home. And then see fit that you don't go over the pound maximum, because if you do, you're going to have to pay a little extra, but at least you have the space. Okay? So, again, travel tip number 43 is to roll your clothes to allow you to have more space in your suitcase and to decrease the number of creases that you will have in your pants or your shirts if you was to do a normal fold. So this is Michelle Black here with Kingdom Travel. So glad that you joined us on today to listen to us. And if you have more information, if you would like to find out more information, or if you would like to ask any questions, feel free to contact us at info@KAS, Kappa Alpha Fam, KAS-LLC.com, or call us at 346-917-0048 extension 1. We do look forward to hearing from you, for we are prepared and ready to serve you. Be blessed, everybody. Take care.